Hi friends, welcome to Own Technology and Science. Today I am going to show you how to automatically generate code for programming Node MCU using Tunoid. Tunoid is a code generator for ESP8266 boards. You can learn Internet of Things without acquiring any coding skills using Tunoid. So initially I am going to open the browser, Google Chrome browser, and I will type easy learning, easy coding, easycoding.tn. So you have to type in the browser easycoding.tn. Next, scroll your browser, click Tunoid for ESP8266. So it's visible here, Tunoid for ESP8266. So click it, then click anywhere in the desktop. Fine. Now we are into the Tunoid screen. Once we are into the Tunoid screen, click in or out box here, in or out, click in or out, and then click digital. To select integrated LED stat high and keep it in the main loop. So as we learned from Arduino, that Arduino programs have basically two functions. One is a setup, other one is a loop. So integrated LED stat high means the internal LED of the node MCU is being kept at high position. So I want to develop a program which will light up the internal LED of node MCU for 2 seconds and then switch off for another 2 seconds. Fine. Next, I will take a delay loop. So for delay loop, you have to click various and select the delay. Add here and keep it 2000. 2000 indicates the LED is going to be switched on for 2 seconds. The internal LED will be switched on for 2 seconds. Then click the integrated LED stat and click the right button of your laptop. So you'll get a duplicate option. Click duplicate and attach it here and make it low. So now the LED will switch off after 2 seconds. Then select the delay and duplicate it. So keep it here. Now LED will switch off again for after 2 seconds. So see the program. So initially the internal LED will switch on for 2 seconds and then switch off for 2 seconds. The cycle is repeated. So once we have joined all these blocks, then you have to click code. If you click code, you can see the program is automatically generated. So there's no need to remember any syntax. So without knowing the syntax of Arduino programs, you can generate the code. You can even directly get the Arduino file by clicking run. You can see the run option here. This is a run the program. So click the run option. Then it will say to rename your file. So you can name anything or keep it as it is. Click OK. So as soon as I click OK, at the down of my browser, you can see file has been opened. So this is Arduino file. It will take some 4 seconds for the file to open. And now you see the program has been directly opened in Arduino IDE. Next, from the tools, you can select the port. So I have not connected the node MCU. If I have connected, the port name would have come here. So select the port and then you can upload the program to the node MCU. So in this way, you can generate the code for node MCU without actually knowing how to code it. So just with the simple blocks, just by arranging simple blocks, you can generate the code for programming node MCU. Thank you.